Here we are, we're at my pond, and it is so clear. I wanted to put my GoPro down there and see what we could see. There's a lot of little fish down there. Oh, there's a big fish. I don't know if my stick's long enough. I need a longer stick. The water looks clear as a bell. Let's see if I can get it here. I saw a fish go down to the brush pile that I made down there. He's hiding down there somewhere. Bunch of little minnows. And now, just a few days ago, I put 3 dozen, or maybe 2 dozen of those little minnows, and I put 2 dozen goldfish. Well, the goldfish were all gone. The minnows were all gone. So yesterday, we went fishing, and we brought back, I probably had a dozen more goldfish, and probably another 3 dozen of those minnows, and all of them are gone, except for there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, they might be a dozen left. But we've got, believe it or not, there's supposed to be 2 crappie, a bass, a pike, and I think maybe there's supposed to be an eel and a catfish. Let's see if there's anything hiding down here. Play today. I don't believe. If it was warm, we just get in there with them. But it ain't warm. It's a balmy 45 degrees today, maybe. I don't know where all the fish are. we can see it. There's the bass. I don't know if you can see him or not. He stays up under that plant. But I thought he came back right over this spot. I don't see him. Oh, there goes a crayfish. Happy right there. Found the bass and the two crappie. The two crappie are now down in the bushes. Okay, I have strapped a lure onto my GoPro and I'm going to lower it into my pond. What that looked like down there, but it looked pretty good up here. Let's go see what it looks like. pretty neat. I wouldn't do it where I knew I'd probably get it hung up somewhere, but in my pond, I can just go get it. Tell me what it looked like to you when you get it or when you watch it. It's pretty cool. I got all kinds of little fishes in there, but I didn't see no big ones jumping out. I think the camera scared them. They're camera shy. Well, I hope you like my videos, and thank you for spending some time with me today as we looked in the pond behind the house. Come and go with me on my next adventures. Like and subscribe.